Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and it's the perfect time to express love and appreciation to that special someone. While chocolates and flowers are always classic choices, nothing says "I love you" quite like a timeless piece of jewelry. Whether you're searching for jewelry near me, jewelry stores, or even jewelry in Arcadia, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into how you can make this Valentine's Day unforgettable with the perfect jewelry, and why visiting an in-person jewelry store is the way to go. Why jewelry is the perfect Valentine's Day gift. Jewelry has been a symbol of love and commitment for centuries. From delicate necklaces to dazzling diamond rings, each piece tells a unique story. Giving jewelry on Valentine's Day not only showcases your thoughtfulness, but also provides a long-lasting memento of your love. With plenty of options available at jewelry stores in Arcadia, finding the perfect piece is easier than you think. Here are some reasons why jewelry makes the ideal Valentine's gift. 1. Personalization. Jewelry can be customized to reflect your partner's style and preferences. 1. Whether it's an engraved bracelet or a birthstone necklace, the options are endless. 2. Timeless appeal. Unlike other gifts that may fade or get used up, jewelry is a keepsake that lasts forever. 3. Emotional value. A piece of jewelry carries sentimental value and often becomes a cherished heirloom. Benefits of shopping for jewelry. In person, with the rise of online shopping, it might be tempting to buy jewelry from the comfort of your home. However, there are significant advantages to visiting jewelry stores in person, especially for something as meaningful as Valentine's Day. Negotiate a better price. In-person shopping allows you to build a relationship with the jeweler, which can often lead to better deals. Unlike online platforms with fixed prices, many jewelry stores are open to negotiation, ensuring you get the most value for your money. Visually inspect the product. When it comes to fine jewelry, seeing is believing. At the nearest jewelry store, you can examine the sparkle of diamonds, the richness of gold, and the intricacy of designs up close. This first-hand experience ensures you're getting exactly what you're paying for. More options to choose from. Shopping in person offers a wider range of options. You can mix and match pieces, try them on, and consult with knowledgeable staff who can guide you in making the best choice. Immediate repairs and adjustments. Many Arcadia jewelry repair shops offer on-the-spot services, which is something you can't access online. Whether you need resizing, cleaning, or adjustments, visiting an Arcadia jewelry repair shop, such as Dorano Jewelry, ensures your purchase is flawless. Finding the perfect jewelry in Arcadia boasts a vibrant selection of jewelry stores, making it the ideal destination for Valentine's Day shopping. From high-end boutiques to local artisans, there's something for every taste and budget. Popular jewelry options for Valentine's Day. 1. Diamond earrings. Timeless and versatile, diamond studs are a surefire way to impress your loved one. 2. Heart-shaped pendants. A classic Valentine's Day staple. These pendants are both romantic and stylish. 3. Personalized bracelets. Add a special touch by engraving your partner's initials or a meaningful date. If you're unsure where to start, search for jewelry near me or jewelry stores in Arcadia to discover the best local options. Many stores also provide Arcadia jewelry repair services, ensuring that your purchase remains in top condition for years to come. The importance of jewelry maintenance. A beautiful piece of jewelry is an investment, and regular maintenance is essential to preserve its brilliance. If you've been searching for jewelry repair around me, or Arcadia jewelry repair, you're in luck. Arcadia is home to reputable repair shops that specialize in everything from stone replacements to professional cleanings. Tips for keeping your jewelry sparkling. 1. Regular cleaning. Gently clean your jewelry with a soft cloth to remove dirt and oils. 2. Avoid harsh chemicals. Chemicals in household cleaners can damage metals and stones. 3. Store properly. Use a jewelry box with compartments to prevent scratches and tangles. 4. Inspect often. Check clasps, settings, and stones regularly for any signs of wear or damage. Why choose Dorano jewelry for your Valentine's Day shopping? When it comes to finding the perfect Valentine's Day gift, Dorano Jewelry is the ultimate destination. Located conveniently in Arcadia, Dorano Jewelry offers a stunning selection of high-quality pieces that cater to all styles and budgets. Whether you're looking for a sparkling diamond necklace, an elegant bracelet, or need Arcadia jewelry repair services, Dorano Jewelry has you covered. What sets Dorano Jewelry apart? 1. Exceptional craftsmanship. Each piece is crafted with precision and care to ensure it stands the test of time. 2. Personalized service. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff will help you find the perfect piece to express your love. 3. Comprehensive repair services. From resizing to custom designs, Dorano Jewelry's repair shop provides top-notch services to keep your jewelry in perfect condition. This Valentine's Day, make your loved one's heart skip a beat with a gift from Dorano Jewelry. Visit our store in Arcadia to explore their collection, or check out our website at doranojewelry.com for more information. Let Dorano Jewelry help you create a magical Valentine's Day to remember.